here we are. We're going Oregon round 2. We're going to take you along with us on the journey. And see you along the way. What do you gotta say to people, Kenny?
Are you now?
No. Quick pit stop to get Ken Bones' buddy, and then we're back on the road. Oh yeah. Well, we hit a little bump in the road, literally. That is not good. But the show goes on. Here we are, Cannon Beach. Boys found their own private beach here. Great day to be alive, boys. Little update on the bus. Hit a little curb coming in. Kind of pooched the tire, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta pay for views like these. More to come. Gonna go get some grub. Got me my luxury lunch here. Ladies and gents, this is gonna be a risky shot here. Here at my buddy Ford's house in Portland. Got a much needed rest from the bus and a shower after 3 days. Going up to Mount Hood view area, Mirror Lake. Take you along for the journey. Talking to you. Well, the boys are at the start of the trailhead, like a pack of turtles. Near to the top. Mount Hood in the back. Just gonna poke out for us, I have faith. But she did come out. Mount Hood, beautiful mountain. Volcano? Mountain? I don't know. What is it?
What do I have to say to the people?
The people.
Don't let your dreams be dreams.
Good advice from the Ford man. We got the tire fixed. She's looking fresh. Gonna need the paint job to match her, but she rolls. That's all we need. Well, ladies and gents, you're in for a real treat. We're going to meet the airplane man. Go and get the private tour. And the boys are chartering off into unknown territory here. Apparently Buddy has a plane up here he turned into his house. Well, we're gonna find out.
Early in life, I didn't think I would have a jetliner as a home, although I remember once seeing a news report about thousands of aircraft parked wingtip to fuselage as closely as they could, and thinking, wow, what a waste. You know, I've got a swing set out in the backyard. How lame is that compared to those guys? Nobody's using them. Why can't I have one of those in my backyard? You know, they're just idle kid thoughts. But I still remember that. I remember thinking they need to be put to use.
We're on Bruce's plane. Sitting in the pilot seat right now in the cockpit. This thing's insane. Crazy. Well, that was something. The man's a character, but good on him, I guess. Living out in the woods on an airplane. Can't get much better than that. He had some interesting philosophies about the universe and such, but it's just the way the road. Yeah, if you're ever in Laurel, Oregon, definitely go check out Bruce. He'll show you a good time. Airplanehome.com. You could go to the concert on the wing. He throws concerts out here. Now we got the trek back to old K-Town. 15 hours. That's the end of the trip. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe for some more travel type content. I'll be doing my bike ride across America starting in September, so I'll be doing daily videos along the way as much as I can. And yeah, make sure you go on the website nickpelletier.ca and you can donate if you have the means to. And every donation gets entered to a link for our draw prize, so make sure you stay updated with that and follow along my journey. And I got some trips planned in the new year, so I'm going to take you along with me if you want to join. Keep it not so bad, and I be talking to ya. Bye now.
Take your time, baby.